Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing a comforting bowl of rice payasam, slow cooked in milk, gently sweetened with jaggery, and finished with roasted dry fruits. Let's start the recipe. Take 1/4 cup pulao rice. Soak it for 15 minutes. Wash well and keep aside. Pulao rice gives a creamy texture when overcooked. Heat 1 teaspoon ghee in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons raisin. Roast for 30 seconds. Payasam is a traditional festive dessert. And keep aside. In another pan, pour 1.5 liter milk. Use full fat milk for best richness. Let it boil. Add 2 to 3 cardamom. Add the washed rice. Keep stirring and cook for 15 minutes. Cook until the rice becomes very soft and slightly mushy. Stir frequently to prevent milk from sticking. Slow cooking enhances natural sweetness of milk. Cook rice until fully soft for creamy payasam. Turn off the flame and let it cool down for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup melted jaggery and mix well. Jaggery adds depth of flavor compared to sugar. Add the roasted dry fruits and mix gently. Milk provides calcium and protein. Jaggery is a natural source of minerals. Remove from heat and serve warm or chilled. Rice gives gentle energy. Homemade dessert avoid preservatives. Your rice payasam is rich, creamy, and perfectly balanced in sweetness. Serve it warm or chilled as you prefer. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more traditional dessert.